So today I thought it would be a cool idea to go ahead and clean up my Sony ZV-1. Now typically on my tripod, this is exactly what I'm staring at when I'm recording these videos for you guys. I got long cables going everywhere. I got a monitor. I got a shotgun mic hanging all off the side. My HDMI cable is actually even bent that's running into the Sony ZV-1. So what I did was I went out and got two small little accessories that's gonna help me clean up this look just a little bit, all right? And I figured I'd show you guys how to clean it up as well. So with that, let's go. So first things first, we're gonna remove everything from the Sony ZV-1, from the monitor arm, shotgun mic, HDMI cable, all of that stuff. Now, one thing I noticed going into this setup is that I'm gonna lose a spot for the shotgun mic, but I already have a solution. I'm just gonna run a longer 3.5 to the shotgun mic and stand it up on my desk. So I'll be good to go to continue to use it as secondary audio. Now the first accessory is a smaller HDMI cable so that we can get rid of the long bent cable that was running into the ZV-1. And the second accessory is a 1/4 inch mini code shoe mount adapter by Newer. Now you can get these from Small Rig, you can get them from any of these other companies, but I think I paid $11 for this one, so I just went with the first one that I saw that was the cheapest basically. But what this is going to do is going to help me get rid of that long monitor arm, but we're going to lose a spot for the shotgun mic, which is totally fine. But once you get it cinched on, man, this is what it looks like. And as you can see already, it's cleaning up the look on the Sony ZV-1. And if you're behind the camera, you know, this is what it's going to look like. But obviously I'm gonna be in front of the camera, so I'm just gonna have to flip the monitor around the other way. And once we get this HDMI cable plugged into the Sony ZV-1, you can already see the transformation from where we started to where we are right now. It just made the look clean, it made it look a little bit more sleek. And now when I'm sitting here recording these videos, I don't have to stare at that monstrosity sitting up on my tripod, you know what I mean? So again, we got rid of the monitor arm, but we lost the shotgun mic, which is totally fine. We didn't really lose it, we just replaced it where we put it somewhere else on the desk. And we got rid of that HDMI cable, the bent long HDMI cable. So this is what the look is gonna look like going forward right here. Two quick accessories, guys, that's all it took. Now, if you guys found this video to be helpful in some way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button. And it's been your man Jay, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.